Welcome. In front of me is a iPhone 17e, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Okay, so before I actually get to this, I do want to quickly mention, because I'm not aware, if you're from the US, there might be a small chance that your phone doesn't have a SIM tray, though I don't know if this applies to the E lineup as well. So if you take your phone and you don't see a tray, where is it? Oh, it's right here. So if you don't see it here at the bottom left side of the device, that means that your phone just doesn't have it. Now, as far as I'm aware, though I don't know how accurate that is, as I'm not even from US, in US, at least the normal iPhones, from what I've heard, do not have a SIM tray. So they only allow you to add eSIM, but not a physical card like this one. So be mindful that if you don't see it, that's probably why. But anyway, for other people that do have this tray, which is most likely the rest of the world, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which just kind of looks like this. Now, to be fair, it usually looks a little bit cheaper. So closer to, oh boy, where is it? Oh, there we go. Closer to this piece of crap right here. What I have right here actually comes with a budget device that is like $200, so makes you think. Anyway, once you have that, you can pop out the tray. Now, if you can't find anything like this, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, to pop out the tray, just put the pin in here, into that hole, and push it in. Like so. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for just a single SIM card. So I'm going to grab it, place it on the tray like so, and then we can insert it back into our device. There we go. And you can see it automatically pops up with the SIM card pin. So I do need to confirm it. And this will unlock it. Now, just a quick little heads up. I believe to add a eSIM, we would go into mobile services, and it should be somewhere right here. SIM pin, mobile network, Wi-Fi calling number, no. Oh, there we go. So add eSIM. Now for this, you do need a internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile, which would be already running through your physical SIM card. And once you have that, you can then add an eSIM, which is the QR code looking one that you scan with your camera, and you're good to go. So if you want to, you can do that instead. Or you can use both at the same time. You're not limited to just one. You can use two SIM cards at the same time, or well, one SIM card and one eSIM. Now, in any case, I hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.